All right, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna do a quick recap on yesterday and today. So before going into this week, on Sunday, I decided to buy a Topstep Combine and try that again. I know I said that I wasn't gonna trade a Combine and my PA account, but you know what? I just want to try it one more time, because the last time I tried the My Fund Futures, I made that big mistake for entering a expired contract, and that blew my account immediately. So I won't make that mistake again, and I'll try my best to trade both of these at the same time. And yeah, so yesterday I took one trade on the PA account. I never got into my Topstep Combine account for this trade too, but then right after I got out of this one on the PA account, price kept on going down and I was feeling confident in another short, so I went on to the Topstep Combine and I took a short there. So both winners. Then I was done for the day. It was actually really early, 9:36, so I was done trading by like 9:40 yesterday, and yeah, that was pretty nice. So you can see price found resistance up here. ES was just, I don't know, it was trending upwards, but then right at open we sold lower, and I was looking for a short at that time because all the Mag 7 stocks were down, and they looked really bearish. So yeah, then the next candle closed right in between this range of point of control zones. So ES looked bearish. That was confirmed, and then I wanted to make sure that NQ closed below these point of control zones. We closed below, and then I waited for a retest. I want to see the reaction at this point of control zone, or even this one. Once we got a slight rejection off of it, I entered. I think it was 5 or 6 contracts, because we have lost that crazy volatility. So I'm kind of up in my contracts again. And yeah, I mean, it was a smaller trade, to be honest, really, because I was only holding it until ES took this point of control zone, and that happened pretty quickly. As you can see, we were very bearish at this time. So yeah, I mean, the trade was probably 20 seconds, but I mean, good nonetheless. And then after that, I was in the Topstep Combine. I was still watching. NQ closed below this point of control zone. We got a huge candle. You can see this rejection. Closed below. It was strong. And then we were kind of just, I don't know, not ranging, but we were slowly trading around here. And I was waiting to see what we did when we came back up to this point of control zone. We came back up. ES still looked good because we were staying below these point of control zones. And then once I saw that rejection, I think I actually got in more like down here, because I really wanted to see price kind of like flush lower and get a good reaction off of this point of control zone. So I actually held it down to like here, I think. Yeah. And then I was in one mini for the Topstep Combine. I'm in a 50K account, so I don't think it's over leveraging, honestly. I would not trade one mini in an XFA, but for a Topstep Combine, like, I'm completely fine with that. So yeah, I mean, that was a trade. This one was probably a minute long. Two quick trades, two quick shorts, two winners, and we made like 182, 186 on the PA account with this trade. So it was smaller, but we'll take it. And then this trade, I made $700 on the Topstep Combine. So that was actually a really good one. Holding one mini, which is 700 would be 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 35 points, or no, 40 points, right? No, it'd be 35 points. Okay. Now to today. So that was yesterday. I made 700 on the Topstep Combine, and then like 180, 185 on the PA. Today, quick trade, easy. I'm happy we got it so quickly in the morning. And yeah, I mean, I really wanted to go on a run this morning, so I was hoping we could get a trade before like 10 o'clock, and we did. So that's kind of why I'm like sweaty and my hair is all messy. I just went on a run. So yeah, this one we opened. I wanted to find a long. You can see like here, I was thinking about just getting in like right off of, well, no, not right off of open. I was thinking about getting in here, because you can see that was a strong candle. We were already bullish on NQ. I was watching the Mag 7 stocks. We were all bullish there, and then ES closed above this point of control zone. All I was waiting for was the retest, and I want to see a good reaction on ES before getting into NQ. Never got that, obviously. It just went straight up into this point of control zone. Then we closed above. I think this is where I got in. Yes, this is where I got in. So I was still bullish. We closed above this point of control zone. I wanted to see the reaction. And for NQ, this candle never reached up into this point of control zone. So this trade was still valid. I got in, oh, whoops. No, it was a long, sorry. Actually, I have the, yeah, I got the numbers. So I got in at 19,049, which is about there. So 049 right there. I don't know, stop was like 30 points or something. It really depended on what ES did, and then took profit up here, easy. Yeah, so that was the trade. I got a 73.75. It was more like, oh yeah, right at this high. So right below this point of control zone. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I saw ES close above. We were still bullish. I wanted to find a long. NQ never reached up in this point of control zone, so I felt that was the overall target for that trade. I waited for the reaction. We got a little bounce. I got in, and then I just got out right at this high, right below this point of control zone. So yeah, that's it. And I did take this on both the Topstep Combine and my PA account. So for the PA account, I was in 6 contracts, micros. We made 290, good trade. And then Topstep, it didn't load for today, obviously, because it's not 5 p.m. But this was yesterday's trade. Made 700, and then today I think it was like around 550 or something, or 560. So yeah, making some good progress on the Topstep Combine so far. And yeah, PA account, I think we're 6 days in since the second payout, so I think pretty much 2 more trading days. Hopefully, we can get some good trades tomorrow and Thursday, and get that third payout. Super excited, and that is pretty much it. So, thank you for watching, everyone. This was just a quick little recap of the first 2 days of this week, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. All right, peace.